Guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. This is my 2023 Tesla Model Y long range. I've had this a couple months now, and this is an upgrade I've been wanting to do since I got it. So as you can see on the door panel here and then on the dash, there's this wood trim. Now this comes on the dark interior, the black interior cars, and I do not like this wood look. It just doesn't seem, somehow it just doesn't seem to fit in. It doesn't fit the look of the car. It does have this like silver kind of gray and then silver trim here. It's got a nice Alcantara and then like a faux leather, and then this wood just does not seem to fit. There's a really cool accessory from Tlyard. They've partnered with the channel for this video, and we're going to install these carbon fiber pieces. This is a carbon fiber overlay piece. You can see it's got a 3M adhesive strip on the back. This is just going to go right over the top of that, and then it's going to go right over the top of this. So I'm just getting the car. Let's show you how easy this is to install and how good it looks. So it comes in 3 pieces. There's the dash piece. The nice thing with the dash piece is it's all one piece. A lot of these other ones that you'll see will come in like 2 pieces and they meet behind the screen here. This is all one piece, and this is going to fit right over the top there. And it has a ton of different strips of 3M adhesive. You can even see the carbon fiber weave on the back here. It's actually a real carbon fiber weave that is being used, and it looks really good on the top here. This is the matte finish. It comes in a gloss as well, but the matte looks really good. I think the matte's going to look the best in here. So to get started here, we're going to do the dash here first. We want to just make sure it's clean of any like fingerprints, grease, dirt, debris, and so it'll stick on there better. I'm just getting a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and I'm just going to wipe down the entire surface. All right, I'm just doing a test fit just to see, make sure I get the orientation right. This thing fits really snug. It's really thin too, so it doesn't have a very high profile. You can't tell at all. So this is actually, it fits very snug on there even without it taped down. So now that I know which way it goes, I'm going to take these strips off, put it on, and then I'll be able to press it down. There's even a piece on the corners here as well. All right, probably the hardest part of this is just getting this backing tape off of the adhesive, because it can pill up the tape, so you just want to make sure you get that on there. So now let's get this. Okay, so you want to get it lined up. You want to make sure that this edge lines up here so it hides the wood trim part. And then push down over here. Okay, now I just want to run my hand all the way across it. Just want to put some pressure on the adhesive all the way across here. All right, we got it rubbed. This actually would stay on there even without that adhesive. This is just going to help keep it from moving around. I think as it sits in the sun a little, it'll warm up, and the adhesive will get warm, and it will stay on there. That looks awesome. But even with that wood covered up, it just makes the dash look so much better. That's great. All right, let's get this. Let's get these side panels in. All right, we're just wiping down this side here. Now drying it off. All right, test fitting just to make sure they got the right side. This actually fits really snugly right in there. See, you can see how thin that is. That's going to that fits in really snugly right there, and then covers that wood. I mean, that's without the tape on. That's without the adhesive exposed. But that's just a really good fit right there. So let's take this adhesive off so you can see there's adhesive all along the back here. All right, with the tape exposed, let's get this placed on here. I'm gonna get this corner it kind of tucks in underneath here, so I want to get that, make sure it's tucked in and pushed all the way back, and then line up this side and then press that down. All right, you can hear that adhesive kind of sticking on there. All right, you can see how that turned out. See, that turned out really good. I think it looks great. Hiding that wood, I mean, it just makes the whole interior look so much better. All right, the hardest part is getting that paper off of the adhesive. Once you do that, once you peel all that back, now we can just get it. Again, we're going to tuck it right back under here. Push it in. Oh, it fits in there nice into that groove right there. And then I want to make sure that it's just right above this edge. All right, that looks really good. Guys, as you can see, it turned out great. I love the look of this carbon fiber. The carbon fiber look, I've always liked that. I've always liked that look in my cars. Covering up that wood just makes a look a lot better. I really like the look. Super easy to install too. I'm also very impressed with the fit and finish of this. It fits perfectly. There's no gaps, there's no issues. It fits snugly. The adhesive is holding it on there really well. So it's a super easy install and it makes the car look a lot better. So guys, see the link to this down below. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.